For coffee connoisseurs and newbies alike, the classic French press is one of the easiest and most satisfying ways to brew fresh and delicious coffee at home. With a French press, there is no need for expensive equipment, as all you need is ground coffee and 5 minutes to get a steamy mug of coffee. We tested 21 different French presses and evaluated them for design, ease of use, brew quality, insulation, and taste. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 French presses on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Bodum Brazil French Press Coffee and Tea Maker. If you're new to making coffee, this entry-level Bodum French press is a great starting point. For a low price, this French press offers a modern design plus a 3-part filtration system to prevent coffee grounds from slipping into your cup. When we tested this French press to see just how well it filtered grounds compared to other French presses on our list, we found that it still left a fair amount of sediment at the bottom of the cup. That being said, it produced a moderately strong brew that was not too bitter, and pleasant to drink. Our only concern was about cleaning. This was the only Bodum we tested whose carafe did not separate from the plastic base. This one-piece design would make it difficult to clean, especially if you didn't have a thin enough brush to get into its nooks and crannies. It comes in 3 sizes, 12 ounces, 34 ounces, and 51 ounces. Number 2. Brew P7 Stainless Steel Insulated Coffee and Tea Maker. If you hate the taste of coffee gone cold, an insulated option like the Brew French Press F7 is the best French press for you. Made with brushed stainless steel, the Brew F7 is shiny and sleek. It reminds us of a French press you'd find in a nice hotel restaurant. It's very similar to our best overall, the Brew P3, except that it's made from stainless steel, not glass, and has insulating properties. The Brew P7 performed consistently well in all our tests. Like our top pick, it uses a double filtration system made of fine mesh so you won't have to deal with grainy sludge at the bottom of your coffee cup. We also found that coffee poured cleanly from the Brew P7 and did not drip all over the place. Keep in mind that you might find a little more sediment in your coffee compared to the P3. Number 3. Brew P3 Stainless Steel Insulated Coffee and Tea Maker. The Brew Coffee French Press P3 is the best French press overall based on our tests. It's affordable and also a superb option for sediment-free coffee. A big reason for this is that it comes with 2 superfine mesh filter baskets instead of a metal plate on its plunger as you'll find on most standard French presses. According to the manufacturers, the plates are 9 to 12 times finer than other filters, which practically guarantees you a smooth coffee with no grit. Additionally, there is a double silicone seal on top which helps keep the coffee fresh and stops any over-extraction. Also, the plunger has a tight fit, which is great for pressing, but pulling it from the body felt a little cumbersome. Overall, we rated this French press 5 out of 5 across the board, and would definitely recommend it to friends and family looking for an easy-to-use French press. Number 4. Freeling Double-Walled Stainless Steel French Press Coffee Maker. If you like your coffee strong, hot and served in a stylish package, the Freeling Double-Walled French Press is the best French press for your needs. This high-end model is made of insulated stainless steel, so it's able to hold heat 4 times longer than other models. Just note that it may feel a little heavy when pouring, especially when filled to the brim with coffee, so it may not be the best French press if you have weak hands or mobility issues. Because it is so expensive, we would have loved it if it had more features. For example, it would have been great if there was a pouring filter on the lid or even a lid tab that you could open and close. Keep in mind that the leftover grounds tend to be sopping wet, so you'll have to drain them before throwing them in the trash. Number 5. Le Creuset Stoneware Cafetiere with Metal Press. If you're looking for a French press that could be used as a table centerpiece, we highly recommend this Le Creuset French press. Like other signature pieces from this brand, it is 100% ceramic, meaning it looks elegant while keeping your brew warm. We wouldn't say this coffee was difficult to press, but we observed that it tended to scratch against the sides, and was not as easy to push down compared to other models we tested. We also noticed that it was prone to dripping. Although our tests showed that brews were inconsistent, when they did hit the mark, the coffee had a full-bodied flavor and there was no bitter aftertaste. There was also very little sediment left behind, which was nice. Overall, if you're looking for a press that can double as a decor piece, this is the best French press option for that. It's available in 11 colors. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.